How to buy Bitcoin in Gemini app. If you'd like to buy Bitcoin in Gemini app, first of all, you launch the Gemini wallet app, and this is the interface you will see. Make sure you have created an account, and after you've done so, you have to log in by just tapping on the sign in button there. Enter the email address associated with your Gemini account, then tap on the continue button as you can see. Now when you tap on the continue button over there, what you have to do is after you sign in, go to the my account tab and make sure to verify your identity. Then navigate to the Bitcoin tab by going to trade section and finding BTC. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase and choose your preferred payment method from the linked funding sources, and review your order details and confirm the transaction. This way you can buy Bitcoin in the Gemini app. That's all for this video, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.